In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Salesforce on resume. We'll build a clean, ATS-friendly resume that showcases your Salesforce experience using an online resume builder. Start by opening your browser and heading to the resume builder on resume.io. Once the page loads, look for the Documents section. Click that, then navigate to My Resumes so you can manage or create a new file. Choose Create New, then select the option to create a new resume. You'll be guided into a template. Begin by setting your job target. Pick the role you're aiming for, something like Salesforce Administrator, Salesforce Analyst, Salesforce Developer, or Salesforce Intern. This helps the template tailor section headings and suggestions toward your goal. Next, fill in your basic details. Enter your first and last name, then add a professional email address you check often. Provide a reliable phone number. Paste your LinkedIn URL. Customize it beforehand so it's clean and matches your name if possible. Add your postal code or general location. A city and region are typically enough. This establishes your professional identity and makes it easy for recruiters to contact you. When you're ready, move forward to professional experience. Start with your most recent role. In the job title field, use accurate, searchable titles such as Salesforce Administrator or CRM Specialist, depending on what you actually did. Enter your employer, then your start and end dates, and add the city and state for that role. In the description area, highlight Salesforce achievements and outcomes. Focus on impact, the problems you solved, the tools you used, and the measurable results. Mention Salesforce features and products you worked with: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Lightning Experience, Flow Builder, Process Builder, validation rules, reports and dashboards, data imports, or integrations. Use action verbs and quantify where possible, such as automated lead assignment using flows, reducing response time by 30%, or built executive dashboards tracking pipeline health across 4 regions. If your builder provides a highlights or key achievements field, use it to showcase your strongest Salesforce accomplishments so it stands out. Continue to the education section, list your degree and institution, and include your graduation year if relevant. If you're early in your career or pivoting, add coursework, capstones, or programs that support your Salesforce path, such as data analysis, information systems, or programming fundamentals. Keep this concise and focused on what reinforces your target role. Move on to areas of expertise. This is a great place to load concise Salesforce keywords that align with the job description. Include items like CRM customization, Lightning App Builder, flow automation, dashboards and reporting, data management, user training, security and permissions, and integrations. Think of this as your quick scan skills snapshot for recruiters and applicant tracking systems. Next is your professional summary. Click into the summary field and write a tight, benefit-focused intro that matches your goal. If you're applying for an internship, you can type Salesforce Intern as your target and follow with a sentence or two about your strengths, such as hands-on trailhead work, sandbox practice, data hygiene, or process automation fundamentals. If you're more experienced, summarize years of experience, standout results, and your strongest Salesforce tools. Proceed to technical proficiencies. List your core technologies clearly: Salesforce CRM, Lightning Experience, Flow Builder, Process Builder, Reports and Dashboards, Sandbox Management, Data Loader or Import Tools, Permission Sets, and any exposure to SOQL or Apex if applicable. Keep this section skimmable and honest. Head to additional sections, add certifications, projects, and volunteer work that reinforce your Salesforce story. Certifications are powerful. Include titles and the year earned. For projects, describe the problem, your Salesforce solution, and the outcome. Volunteer experiences that used Salesforce tools are excellent credibility boosters. Finally, go to review. Scan for clarity, consistency, and alignment with the job you want. Ensure titles match your target, bullet phrasing is parallel, dates are consistent, and Salesforce terms are accurate. Keep formatting clean and spacing uniform. When everything looks right, you'll be ready to finalize and use your new, Salesforce-focused resume with confidence.